Schools teach us math, history, and science. But when it comes to money, they leave out some of the most critical lessons. And that's a huge problem. Think about it. Most people graduate knowing how to solve equations, but not how to manage their income, invest wisely, or build long-term wealth. And that's why so many struggle financially. But today, we're going to fix that. I'll reveal 10 essential financial lessons that you won't learn in school, but that can completely change your financial future. Let's dive in. Most people don't fail financially because they're lazy or don't work hard enough. They fail because they were never taught how money really works. Think about it. How many times have you seen someone work tirelessly, yet struggle to make ends meet? It's not just about earning, it's about knowing how to manage, grow, and protect your money. Without this knowledge, people fall into common financial traps: credit card debt, lifestyle inflation, and poor spending habits. They live paycheck to paycheck, never getting ahead, and they don't even realize why. But here's the good news. You don't need a finance degree to build wealth. All you need is the right knowledge and the right habits. And in this video, I'll share 10 lessons that can completely shift how you handle money. Lessons that will put you ahead of 90% of people. In this video, we'll cover 10 financial lessons that schools never teach, but that are absolutely essential if you want to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. You'll learn how to make your money work for you, why relying only on a salary is risky, and how to avoid the biggest money mistakes people make. We'll also talk about smart investing, budgeting without stress, and protecting yourself from financial setbacks. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the financial principles that separate the rich from the broke. So let's get started. If there's one financial concept that can completely change your future, it's compound interest. It's often called the eighth wonder of the world because it allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Here's how it works. When you invest money, you don't just earn interest on your initial investment. You earn interest on your interest. Over time, this creates a snowball effect, turning small investments into massive wealth. The secret: start early, stay consistent, let time do the work. Even small amounts invested today can turn into a fortune in the future. That's the power of compound interest. Most people believe that if they just work hard and earn a good salary, they'll be financially secure. The reality is, relying only on a paycheck is one of the biggest financial risks you can take. Because if your job disappears, so does your income. Wealthy people don't just work for money. They make money work for them. They create multiple income streams through investments, real estate, or side businesses, so that no single source controls their financial future. If you truly want financial freedom, you need to build income beyond just your salary. Credit can be a powerful tool or a financial disaster. It all depends on how you use it. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest, help you qualify for better loans, and even open doors to new financial opportunities. But bad debt, like maxed out credit cards or high-interest loans, can trap you in a cycle of financial stress. The key: use credit wisely, pay off high-interest debt quickly, and never borrow money for things that don't appreciate in value. If you manage credit correctly, it works for you, not against you. Most people think budgeting means cutting out everything fun. But the truth is, a budget isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. When you know exactly where your money is going, you don't have to feel guilty about spending. Instead of wondering if you can afford something, you already know, because your money has a plan. A good budget isn't about saying no to everything. It's about making intentional choices. You can still enjoy life while building wealth. The secret is prioritizing what truly matters and cutting out what doesn't. Spending money isn't just about numbers, it's emotional. Marketers and advertisers know this, and they use psychological tricks to make you spend more without even realizing it. Ever wondered why sales have countdown timers? Or why stores put the most expensive items at eye level? It's all designed to make you spend impulsively. But here's the key. When you become aware of these tactics, you take back control. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this a want or a need? Will this purchase bring long-term value? If not, step back. Your future self will thank you. As people start earning more money, they often spend more to match their new income. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons people stay broke. No matter how much they earn, instead of saving or investing the extra income, they upgrade their car, buy designer clothes, or move into a more expensive home. Their expenses rise as fast as their income, leaving them stuck in the same financial position. The secret to building wealth isn't just making more money, it's keeping your lifestyle below your means and investing the difference. Wealthy people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. The biggest financial mistake you can make is keeping all your money in a bank account, earning next to nothing. Instead, the key to financial freedom is investing, whether it's stocks, real estate, or businesses. Your money should be working 24/7, even while you sleep. The earlier you start, the more powerful this becomes, because time and compound interest do the heavy lifting for you. If you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, investing is the way out. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is putting all their money in one place, whether it's a single stock, a business, or even just cash sitting in a bank account. This is a risky move. Wealthy people know the secret to financial security is diversification, spreading money across different assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, and even side businesses, reduces risk and increases long-term growth. If one investment fails, others can balance it out. That's why smart investors never put all their eggs in one basket. Diversification isn't just a strategy, it's financial protection. Life is unpredictable. Job losses, medical emergencies, unexpected repairs. They happen when you least expect it. And without a financial safety net, these situations can destroy your finances. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. It's your personal financial buffer that keeps you from falling into debt when things go wrong. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This isn't money for vacations or new gadgets. It's money that protects your future. Because when you have a solid emergency fund, unexpected expenses become an inconvenience, not a financial disaster. These 10 financial lessons aren't just ideas. They're the difference between struggling financially and achieving true wealth. Schools may not teach them, but now you have the knowledge most people never learn. The question is, what will you do with it? Because knowing these lessons is only half the battle. Applying them is what changes your life. Start small. Set a budget. Build your emergency fund. Invest consistently, because every step forward brings you closer to financial freedom. The earlier you start, the greater the impact. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future content. And now, I want to hear from you. Which of these financial lessons was the most eye-opening for you? Or is there a lesson you wish schools had taught? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to as many as possible. Your support helps spread financial education to more people, so if you know someone who needs this information, share this video with them. Together, we can change the way people think about money. Financial success isn't about luck, it's about knowledge and action. Now that you've learned these 10 essential lessons, you have something most people don't: a roadmap to building wealth. The next step is yours to take. Will you apply these lessons and change your financial future? Or will you stay stuck in the same cycle most people never escape? Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but with consistent smart decisions, your future can look completely different. Start today. Take control of your money, and I'll see you in the next video.